The deeper we explore the universe, the more unsettling it becomes, because out there lie phenomena that challenge the very foundation of human understanding. On Earth, we feel safe. We're familiar with our surroundings and trust that the laws of nature remain stable. But once we look beyond our planet, that sense of control quickly fades. In the vast, cold, and dark expanse of space, Earth is no more than a speck of dust, and the universe is full of terrifying, unimaginable celestial bodies. Some of them burn at temperatures beyond comprehension. Others are so massive they defy belief. Some are enveloped in eternal superstorms. It's a realm completely beyond human control, filled with the unknown, and that's exactly what we fear most. Take Jupiter, for example. Just 700 million kilometers from Earth, its volume could hold over 1,300 Earths. Its Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that has raged for centuries, is large enough to swallow our planet whole. But even Jupiter is dwarfed by the Sun, which is 1,000 times bigger than Jupiter and 1.3 million times the size of Earth. And yet, in our Milky Way galaxy, stretching 100,000 light-years across, the Sun is just an average star. Consider Betelgeuse, a red supergiant that is 700 million times the volume of the Sun. If it were placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend past Jupiter, consuming Earth and Mars in the process. Still, Betelgeuse pales in comparison to Stephenson 2-18, which is about 10 billion times the volume of the Sun. If the Sun were a basketball, Stephenson 2-18 would be a giant stadium. The entire solar system would appear as nothing more than a dot in front of it. And stars aren't the only giants. Black holes are even more mind-boggling. Roughly 5.7 billion light-years from Earth lies the largest known black hole, with a mass over 100 billion times that of the Sun. Its event horizon spans nearly 590 billion kilometers, about 3,900 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. How such an object even formed remains a mystery. The universe is teeming with massive, extreme bodies that force us to confront our own insignificance. In 2011, scientists discovered a hellish exoplanet named Kepler 70b in the direction of the constellation Cygnus. Roughly 76% the size of Earth and 44% its mass, this planet's surface burns at 6,900 degrees Celsius, hotter than most stars. It's slowly spiraling toward its host star, doomed to be consumed by fire. But terrifying worlds aren't the only unsettling thing out there. There are also vast cosmic voids, immense regions of space with almost no galaxies, filled only with cold, silent emptiness. One of them is the KBC supervoid, a void that stretches over 2 billion light-years. Imagine traveling through this region and not encountering another galaxy for an unfathomable amount of time. Why is it so empty? Why do such voids exist? We have no clear answers. Worse still, the universe is expanding, and these voids are growing larger. Galaxies are drifting farther apart. Eventually, the light from distant galaxies will no longer reach Earth. The universe will grow darker, lonelier, and colder. Faced with this vast unknown, we naturally ask, are humans the only intelligent life in the universe? It's a question that has haunted us for generations. The universe is unimaginably large, filled with billions, possibly trillions, of galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars, many of which host planets. Can Earth really be the only one with life? According to the Drake equation, the number of planets with intelligent life could be in the thousands, even millions. So why haven't we found any? One possible explanation is distance. Even the closest star system, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light-years away, far beyond our current technological reach. Another reason might be that our tools are simply not advanced enough. Human civilization is only a few thousand years old. Our exploration of space has barely spanned a century. The Milky Way, on the other hand, is over 10 billion years old. If other civilizations arose earlier, they may be far more advanced than we are, or perhaps we're just not capable of detecting them yet. Or maybe they're so advanced that they don't want to be found at all. Looking to the far future, the second law of thermodynamics tells us that entropy always increases. Eventually, every star, every planet, and even every black hole will disappear. Scientists call this the heat death, or big freeze of the universe. As the universe continues to expand, everything will grow colder and farther apart. Stars will burn out. Black holes will evaporate. Energy will be lost. The universe will fall into eternal darkness, silence, and emptiness. All that we once knew, our sun, our solar system, perhaps even alien civilizations, will vanish. All that remains will be a lifeless void stretching endlessly into nothingness. Perhaps that's the real reason why the more we learn about the universe, the more fear it stirs in us. Because everything, no matter how vast, will eventually come to an end. Even the universe itself. Despite our technological progress, our understanding of the universe is still incredibly limited. So far, scientists estimate that visible matter, everything we can observe, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter and dark energy, both of which we know almost nothing about. This isn't just a gap in our knowledge. It's a sobering reminder of how powerless we still are in the face of a vast, strange, and ultimately unknowable cosmos. Maybe humanity will never truly uncover all the secrets of the universe.